Quick question. How many hours a week do you waste doing stuff a machine could do for you? Copying leads onto a spreadsheet. Digging through comments trying to figure out what people actually think of your brand. Editing video by scrubbing a timeline for 2 hours. Today I'm walking you through 5 AI tools that real businesses are using right now to claw that time back. Not the hyped up nonsense you see in most thumbnails. Real tools, real use cases. Stick around to the end as I'm going to tell you which one of these I'd actually cancel if I could keep 4 and why that might save you money you do not need to spend. That one might actually surprise you. First up, Zapier AI. If you've never heard of it, think of it as digital glue. It connects thousands of apps together and lets them talk to each other automatically, without you writing a line of code. And here's the real world version of that. Someone fills out a contract form on your website. Normally you'd have to go check your inbox, copy their details into your CRM, then manually send them a welcome email. Zapier does all 3 of those steps the second the form gets submitted, and you never have to touch it. Now, is it magic? No. You still have to set it up once, and some of the more advanced workflows take a bit of trial and error. But once it's built, it just runs quietly in the background. And here's an honest take. If your business runs on more than 2 or 3 apps, talking to each other, this pays for itself fast. If you're a one-person operation doing everything by hand anyway, you might not need the more expensive tiers. The second tool would be Coupler.io. This one's for anyone who feels like their data lives in 5 different places and none of them talk to each other. Coupler.io pulls information from your sales platform, your marketing tools, your customer data, wherever it lives, and puts it all into one dashboard, usually Google Sheets or a BI tool. So instead of manually building a report every Monday morning, it's just there, updated and live. If you've ever spent a Sunday night stitching together numbers from 3 different logins just to know how your week actually went, this is a tool that stops that from being your life. The third tool on this list is Uscan. This is a social listening tool, meaning it tracks what people are actually saying about your brand, your product, or even your competitors across social media and in real time. Why does that matter? Because most businesses find out something's gone wrong when it's already a problem. A bad review spreads, a complaint goes viral, and by the time you see it, it's everywhere. Uscan flags a sentiment shift before it snowballs. Honestly, this one's more valuable the bigger your audience gets. If your business is small right now, you can probably keep an eye on your own mentions manually, but it's good to know it exists when you scale. The fourth tool would be Descript, and this one's close to home for anyone making video content. It's an AI editing tool that transcribes your audio and video into text, and then lets you edit the video by editing the text. Delete a sentence and the clip's gone. Cut out every and like in one click. If you've ever sat through scrubbing a timeline for 2 hours trying to find one clip where you didn't stumble over your words, this tool alone could give you your evenings back. But I have to be straight with you, it's not going to replace a skilled editor doing complex story-driven work. But for repurposing long videos into clips or cleaning up talking head content fast, it's one of the more genuinely useful AI tools out there for solo creators. The fifth and final tool would be SEMrush. This is an SEO marketing platform, and its AI tools help you figure out what people are actually searching for, how you rank against competitors, and where the gaps are in your own content. So a real use case, instead of guessing what to write about next, you can see exactly what your audience is typing into Google and build content around that, rather than hoping it lands. Visibility isn't the same as content. You can make great stuff and still be invisible if nobody can find it. That's the gap this tool is built to close. Alright, so I promised this to you at the start. Out of all of these tools, if there's any one I would drop of these 5, it would be Uscan. Not primarily because it's a bad tool, because it isn't. It's genuinely well built, and it will do what it needs to do. But social listening at scale only pays off once your audience is big enough that you can't manually track your own mentions anymore. For most creators and small businesses starting out, that budget is better spent on something like Descript or Zapier, where your time and savings show up immediately, this week and not down the line. That's the difference between a tool that's impressive on paper and a tool that actually changes your week. So that's 5 real AI tools, no fluff, no exaggerated claims, that can genuinely help you scale smarter, not just faster. Let us know in the comments which one you aim to try first, or if you're already using one of these tools and it's worked. If videos like this can help you to save time, effort and even money to help you build your business, then be sure to like, hype and subscribe. And for even more helpful and useful videos that might actually get you moving forward on the right path to building your brand, you can check out this playlist right here. So work behind the scenes, stay hidden, and let your business do the talking.